Hey everyone, and welcome back. So this is a new series that I have started called Life Lessons, in which I am going to share with you some of the most important things that I have learned in my life. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to talk about how important it is to believe the right things about yourself. Let me start off with a story. So there was this monk who traveled through the regions of South India, and as he was traveling, he came across this place where they tended to and took care of elephants. So when he reached that place, he looked around and saw that there were many elephants over there who were tied up in chains, but there was one particular elephant who was tied with a rope. He went to that caretaker and asked him, why is that elephant tied with a rope and not with a chain? The caretaker told him that years ago they found this elephant when he was a baby and he was orphaned. And this elephant was really aggressive, so they had to really chain him up with many chains, and every time he tried to break those chains, he couldn't. So obviously a baby elephant doesn't have that much strength as much as a full-grown elephant, right? Every time that elephant tried to break those chains, he failed, and eventually he started to believe that he wasn't strong enough. The moral of the story is, even though that the elephant was tied to a rope, he believed that he wasn't strong enough because he had already conditioned his mind to think that way. The lesson that I have learned is that it's very important to think the right things about yourself and to believe in yourself. Sometimes people or situations may make us feel that we are not good enough and we cannot do it, and eventually we start believing in those lies and we start behaving like that. There were times when people even told me that I wasn't good enough or I couldn't do something, but I pushed myself into doing those things and I eventually succeeded. It's all a matter of the mind. You know, sometimes the impossibilities are not in our situations. In fact, they are in our mind. Never think less of yourself. If somebody tells you that you cannot do something, do it and prove them wrong. So never think less of yourself, because you are precious and you are more capable than you can ever imagine. Now, if you can't do something in one try, don't give up. Continue pursuing it, continue doing it till you achieve what you have always dreamed of achieving. Hence, it is very important to think the right things about yourself and push yourself in every situation, because sometimes we may not have people to push us and we have to push ourselves and believe in ourselves. There will be times in your life when you want to quit and when you want to give up. But remember, quitting is not an option. When you feel like quitting, just pause for a moment, relax, and wait till that feeling goes away. Rest for a little bit and then start again. Do not be like that elephant who didn't believe in himself. You are capable to achieve what you want to achieve only when you believe in yourself. This was basically a shorter video as compared to the other Let's Talk About It videos, and this is the first lesson that I ever learned in my life. So I hope this has inspired you and encouraged you on some level, and if it has, please make sure to comment down below. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and once you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a video. So guys, this is it for this week, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye.